Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. We have gone through many videos on face detection using Streamlit, face detection using Tkinter library, face detection using OpenCV, face detection using DLIB. Then we have seen lot of videos on face recognition using OpenCV, using DLIB library, using deepface, using fear long back ago, using face login. We have seen face recognition. Then we have seen face recognition using Streamlit with attendance system. We have seen lot of videos on attendance system using Streamlit, attendance system using Tkinter library, attendance system using DLIB with face recognition and attendance. A lot of videos on face recognition and face detection. We also see a lot of videos on image classification using emotion recognition classification using Keras, emotion recognition classification TensorFlow. Then we have seen fruits and vegetable classification using Streamlit and many more videos, interesting videos on machine learning using Python. So one idea came to me in my mind. I have done face login few videos. So today I decided why not do one video on face login. So let us begin with the execution of the program face login. Yes, first of all we need to register. Unless and until register you cannot log in. That part you have seen in Node.js, React.js and many other my videos. Registration, name Sanjay M, password 3, email @gmail.com, student ID I always take 11. So yes, I have been registered. Press spacebar to capture. Yes, now I will log in. Username Sanjay M, password yes, fine, scanning is done. Yes, it is scanning. Yes, I successfully done with face login using Tkinter library in Python. So I will log out. Yes, fine. You can see here one file is there and the base name is Sanjay M. We can see here images is there. Yes, Sanjay is there and my face is there. My face has been recognized. Yes, fine. So I successfully done with face login using Tkinter library. I will show you the code. Yes, this is all about the face login. Using SQLite it is very better to do database programming, face registration, face login. We have seen a lot of videos on SQLite with face recognition, attendance system. We also seen attendance system using MySQL. We also seen attendance system using MongoDB. So I will be back with more and more creative videos on microservices, on web development using Python, then machine learning using Python, then if possible natural language processing using Python, if possible interesting videos on web development using Python with MySQL, Postgres. I will be back with more creative videos on Node.js, React.js, Munstack, Full Stack. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.